Currently the project that I'm working on is this area here in my bathroom. Like I said, I had a prefabbed steam shower in this area before. It was an Ariel 32 by 58, and so I've deinstalled that, completely enlarged the shower out so that I have a slightly wider shower altogether. So instead of 24 inches inside, I've got 32 inches. This is going to have a Schluter-Kerdi impervious wall system installed. You can see I have the Kohler distribution system here that I'm in the process of plumbing. There's my ceiling. There's my wall here on one side, and then the wall on the other side is actually going to have 2 shower heads and 6 body showers and 2 feet showers. Installed over on the left hand side is a touchscreen television, smart TV, and that's all waterproof as well, and that'll be built into the system. So it will be a fully functional personal spa room that one can sit back and relax and enjoy, and also pass some time watching movies and so forth.